Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to delete WhatsApp account. So for that, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device, and once you're at the home page, you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right. Tap that. From there, you tap on settings. In the settings, you need to go to the accounts. Tap that, and here in the account page, you will have the option of delete my account. You tap that. Delete your account. Your WhatsApp account will be deleted. It will erase your message history and it will delete all the WhatsApp group. To delete your account, you need to confirm your country code. So tap on the drop down menu and from here you choose your country code. After that, you provide the phone number and then tap on delete my account. You need to provide a reason for why you choose to delete it. So tap on the drop down menu in select a reason, tap that, and then you tap the reason. You can also provide few suggestions to WhatsApp for how it can improve the WhatsApp application overall. It is a optional, so you can just fill it in or you can just leave it, and then tap on delete my account. Proceed to delete your account. Deleting your account is permanent. Your data cannot be recovered if you reactivate your WhatsApp account in future. Tap on delete my account. With this, the WhatsApp account of yours will be deleted. So this is how you can delete WhatsApp account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.